Air travel often feels like a straightforward process. Book a ticket, board the plane, and reach the destination. But behind the scenes, airlines operate with carefully guarded strategies that are designed to maximize profits while keeping passengers in the dark. There are 12 hidden flight tricks airlines are keeping quiet about on purpose. And once these secrets are revealed, it becomes clear how much money and convenience travelers could gain. Airlines know that the less passengers understand about these tricks, the more control they have over pricing and travel behavior. That's why these details are rarely mentioned openly. Before jumping into the list, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on valuable insights that can save money and make every journey easier. Number 1. Hidden city ticketing. One of the most powerful and controversial tricks in the airline world is called hidden city ticketing. Here's how it works. Instead of buying a direct flight to a chosen destination, a traveler books a longer flight that has a layover in the city they actually want to visit. For example, if someone wants to go to Chicago, booking a direct ticket there might cost $400. But booking a flight to Dallas that connects through Chicago could be just $200. By simply exiting at the layover city and not continuing to the final destination, the traveler saves a huge amount. Airlines hate this strategy because it cuts deeply into their pricing systems, which are designed to manipulate demand and supply. Some airlines even threaten to cancel return flights or ban frequent offenders from loyalty programs if they notice a pattern. Yet, despite the risks, many travelers quietly use this trick because the savings are just too good to ignore. Airlines will never advertise that tickets to a farther city could actually be cheaper than a direct ticket to a closer one. And that's exactly why this remains one of their best-kept secrets. Number 2. The 24-hour rule. Another hidden advantage most passengers overlook is the 24-hour cancellation rule. In countries like the United States, the Department of Transportation requires airlines to give travelers a full refund if they cancel within 24 hours of booking, provided the flight is at least a week away. This means passengers have a safety net to recheck fares or rethink their travel plans without financial risk. Imagine booking a ticket for $500 and then noticing just a few hours later that the same flight has dropped to $350. Instead of regretting the decision, the passenger could cancel and rebook at the lower fare. Airlines know this rule exists, but they rarely highlight it in big, bold letters on their websites. Instead, it's hidden in the fine print because they want customers to feel locked in from the moment they click purchase. Smart travelers who use this trick can avoid overpaying and secure the best possible deal, while others who don't know about it end up stuck. Number 3. The cheapest days to fly. Ticket prices don't just depend on the distance or destination, they fluctuate based on the day of the week. Multiple studies and data analysis from travel companies show that Tuesday and Wednesday flights are often cheaper compared to weekends. This is because most business travelers fly out on Mondays and return on Fridays, creating heavy demand that pushes prices higher. Leisure travelers, on the other hand, often prefer weekend schedules, making Saturdays and Sundays expensive as well. By choosing midweek flights, passengers can sometimes save hundreds of dollars on international trips. Airlines know this pattern, but will never openly advise passengers to just fly on Wednesday to save money. Instead, they rely on demand trends to maximize revenue. Savvy travelers who understand this timing hack can consistently find cheaper options without relying on complicated booking websites or discount alerts. Number 4. The stopover secret. Airlines rarely advertise the benefits of stopovers because they would rather passengers pay more for direct flights. But choosing flights with intentional layovers can save significant money. And in many cases, airlines even offer free or low-cost stopover programs in their hub cities. For example, a traveler booking a flight from Europe to Asia with a layover in Dubai, Doha, or Istanbul could take advantage of airline-sponsored hotel stays, free city tours, or heavily discounted accommodation offers during the layover. These programs exist because airlines want to promote their home cities as tourist destinations, but they don't push the information aggressively. The reason is simple. Most passengers prefer direct flights, which are far more profitable for airlines. Passengers who learn how to strategically use stopovers not only save money, but also get the chance to experience an extra destination at little or no added cost. This is one of those rare cases where a little extra travel time can turn into a mini vacation for free. Number 5. Price discrimination through cookies. One of the most frustrating tricks involves how airlines use internet cookies to track passenger behavior. Every time a person searches for a flight multiple times, the system takes note of the interest. Prices may suddenly appear higher the next time the search is repeated. creating the impression that fares are rising quickly and pressuring the passenger to book immediately. This is a psychological tactic designed to exploit fear of missing out. To avoid this, smart travelers often search for tickets using incognito mode in their browsers, or clear cookies before checking fares again. Some even switch devices or use VPNs to see different pricing options from other regions. Airlines never admit that their websites manipulate fares based on browsing history, but the patterns are too consistent to ignore. By understanding how these hidden tactics work, passengers can take back control and book tickets at the true lowest price instead of the artificially inflated one. Number 6. The best time to book. Airlines have mastered the art of dynamic pricing, meaning ticket prices can change dozens of times a day. However, data analysis from travel experts has revealed patterns. The sweet spot for booking is usually around 6 to 8 weeks before a domestic flight and 2 to 3 months before an international one. This window balances supply and demand. Airlines want to fill as many seats as possible, but they haven't yet increased prices for last-minute buyers. Booking too early can actually be more expensive because airlines test the market with higher prices. On the other hand, booking too late can also cost much more because they know desperate travelers will pay anything. Airlines won't openly admit this because they prefer passengers to believe tickets are unpredictable, encouraging panic bookings. But for those who know the right timing, the savings can be massive. Number 7. Overbooking secrets. Most people don't realize that airlines deliberately sell more tickets than seats available on a plane. This practice, known as overbooking, is based on the assumption that some passengers will always cancel or miss their flight. When too many people actually show up, the airline asks for volunteers to give up their seats in exchange for compensation, which might include travel vouchers, meal allowances, or even hotel stays. What airlines keep quiet is that passengers can negotiate. Instead of accepting the first offer, travelers can push for better rewards like cash, first-class upgrades, or tickets on a more convenient flight. Airlines rarely explain this clearly at the gate because they don't want everyone demanding maximum compensation. But passengers who understand how overbooking works can sometimes turn an inconvenience into a profitable opportunity. Number 8. Free upgrades are possible. Upgrading to business or first class may seem out of reach for most travelers, but airlines have systems in place that allow it to happen under the right conditions. Passengers who dress well, arrive early, and politely ask at the check-in counter sometimes receive complimentary upgrades, especially if the economy section is oversold. Airlines also give priority to passengers with loyalty program status or those who are celebrating special occasions like honeymoons or anniversaries. But they don't advertise this option widely because if everyone knew, check-in counters would be flooded with upgrade requests. The secret is knowing how and when to ask, as well as maintaining flexibility. For savvy travelers, an ordinary ticket can sometimes turn into a luxury experience without spending a single extra dollar. Number 9. Open jaw and multi-city tickets. Most passengers search for round-trip tickets, but airlines often price open jaw tickets, where you fly into one city and return from another, at a lower rate. For instance, flying into Paris and leaving from Rome could cost less than a regular round trip. Similarly, multi-city tickets, where several destinations are booked together, can be much cheaper than purchasing each leg individually. Airlines don't highlight these options up front because their booking engines default to round trips, which are usually more expensive. By carefully exploring alternative ticket types, travelers can not only save money but also see more destinations in one trip. It's a win-win for passengers, but a revenue loss for airlines, so naturally, it stays hidden. Number 10. Free perks through credit cards and partnerships. Airlines often have secret partnerships with banks and credit card companies that offer free perks such as priority boarding, free checked bags, or even airport lounge access. However, they don't promote these benefits directly because they prefer to upsell services like baggage fees or seat upgrades. For example, a passenger using a co-branded airline credit card might enjoy free checked luggage on every flight, saving hundreds of dollars a year. Yet, if travelers don't know about these perks, they continue paying fees unnecessarily. By learning which cards are connected to which airlines, passengers can unlock hidden luxuries without extra cost. Airlines prefer silence on this matter because they profit heavily from add-on charges. Number 11. Compensation for delays and cancellations. When flights are delayed or canceled, most passengers simply accept the situation and wait. But in many regions, especially Europe, passengers are legally entitled to significant compensation, sometimes hundreds of dollars depending on the length of the delay and the flight distance. Airlines rarely inform passengers of these rights, hoping that frustration will make them settle for a free meal voucher or nothing at all. Companies even set aside millions annually to handle claims, yet only a small fraction of passengers ever file them. Those who understand their rights can turn an inconvenient delay into real cash compensation, but the majority stay unaware because airlines keep this information buried in complex legal documents. Number 12. Mistake fares. Finally, one of the most closely guarded secrets is the existence of mistake fares. These occur when airlines accidentally publish tickets at the wrong price due to technical errors, currency conversion mistakes, or glitches in the booking system. Imagine flying from New York to Tokyo for $150 instead of $1,000. That's the kind of deal mistake fares offer. Airlines almost never announce these errors, and when they're discovered, they quietly fix them as fast as possible. However, passengers who know how to monitor deal websites or forums can catch these rare opportunities and secure unbelievable bargains. Some airlines honor mistake fares out of goodwill, while others cancel them. But either way, these deals are a goldmine for those in the know. And that's it. 12 hidden flight tricks airlines are keeping quiet about on purpose. These strategies prove that air travel is filled with secrets that can save a fortune if passengers know where to look. Airlines may prefer to keep these under wraps, but now the knowledge is in your hands. If this video helped uncover some eye-opening secrets, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips that airlines, companies, and industries don't want you to know. Also, drop a comment below. Have you ever used any of these tricks yourself? Or are there others you think should be on this list? Thanks for watching, and remember, smarter travelers always fly higher.